SS Automation heavy-duty fiber laser cutting machine built for high performance. Engineered for precision. Experience industrial-grade cutting performance with S.S. Automation's heavy-duty fiber laser cutting machine, designed for maximum productivity, long service life, and exceptional cutting accuracy. Machine specifications: working area 12 meter by 3 meter laser power, 12 kilowatts max heavy-duty fabricated machine frame built using 40 mm, 20 mm or 15 mm thick MS plate structure. High rigidity with minimum vibration. Separate electrical control panel control system, software FS Cut 8000. Servo system, 3 kilowatts Panasonic servo motors or drives. Linear motion, Hewin 35 mm LM guide rails. Cutting head, Bochi BLT 653H autofocus. Key features: heavy-duty industrial construction, high-speed or high-precision cutting, stable performance for continuous production, excellent accuracy on large-format sheets, reliable automation with premium components designed for demanding fabrication industries, low maintenance with long machine life applications, ideal for heavy fabrication, structural steel, industrial equipment manufacturing. Construction machinery, shipbuilding, railways, engineering industries. Choose strength, choose precision, choose SS Automation. Contact us today. SS Automation for heavy duty fiber laser cutting machines or customized solution. Every component is selected. Every detail is engineered. Every cut is a statement of quality. From heavy fabrication, structural steel, industrial equipment, infrastructure, shipbuilding, railway engineering, to large-scale manufacturing, this is more than a laser cutting machine. It is a production powerhouse. Because when every second matters, when every micron counts, when your reputation depends on every finished product, you don't compromise. You invest in engineering. You invest in reliability. You invest in performance. You choose SS Automation. Power beyond limits. Precision without compromise. Performance you can depend on. Contact us today to build your next production line. 12 meter by 3 meter working area, perfect for large format plates and heavy industrial fabrication. 12 kilowatt max fiber laser power, high speed cutting with outstanding etch quality and productivity. Autofocus cutting head, intelligent autofocus technology for faster piercing, superior cut quality, and reduced setup time. Software advanced motion control, intelligent nesting support, real-time monitoring, and stable industrial performance. Servo motors or drives, high torque,